Speaker, I'm grateful for the opportunity to address the House at what is, I'm bound to say, a critical moment in the history of our country. The prospect of war looms large. Our markets are in a state of near collapse. Blind date may never be the same again. And behind all this, Mr. Speaker, we as a country face perhaps the gravest threat for 50 years from a man for whom democracy has no meaning and for whom power is but a means to wreak havoc on the world. Not, Mr. Speaker, that I have anything personal against the Prime Minister. But, Mr. Speaker, I want to say enough is enough. The time has come to stand up and be counted. Here I stand, count me. But, Mr. Speaker, I digress. Today we're concerned with the reform of the upper house. A matter, I would say, more pressing than war, asylum, health, education, transport, the environment, the 240 at Haydock, or indeed any other issue with the possible exception of the leak in the committee room's toilet. The Prime Minister promised a second chamber which was democratic and accountable, and we applauded him. So, I want to say, his recent pirouette to adopt a stated preference for an all-appointed House is one which commands all the respect and authority of a one-armed weightlifter with crabs. And so I ask you to join with me, as Leader of the House, winner of the coveted House Prize at this year's Channel 4 Political Awards, single-handed hero of the Scott Report, former racing tipster of the Glasgow Herald, and, I say, inspiration for Dobby the Elf in Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, I call on the House to rise up against this discredited and foot-sliding excuse for a government.
Leader of the House.
Mr. Speaker, may I begin by expressing my complete support for the Prime Minister?